My name is Riza Gabaj. I am the Managing Director of Niche. Niche got started in the early 70s. We're a medium-sized steel fabricator. We focus primarily on sophisticated projects that target public infrastructure projects. The reason I eventually came back to take the company on was actually because it was struggling. That naturally led me into more efficient ways of fabricating, which ultimately ended up introducing me to Peddinghaus. The machine that I wish I'd invested in sooner was the Peddinghaus XDM 630 beamline. Once I made that decision, I realised I was probably 2 or 3 years late, and I should have jumped on that a lot earlier. And the efficiency gains that we made buying that machine were phenomenal.
My name's Julian. I'm the production manager at Niche. I'm overseeing the whole production here at the factory. Part of that is our CNC equipment and also obviously our CNC laser machine. The biggest gain that we get from utilizing CNC machinery is definitely lead time. If we go out to the market and we ask our suppliers to process that steel for us, we have to wait for the material to come in until we can start fabricating.
In terms of the laser, we were the first company in Australia to have the Peddinghaus laser. So I think it just goes to show that once you find a good equipment partner like Peddinghaus, you're likely to keep reinvesting with them, and their customer service and support's brought me back time and again. First impression of the Peddy laser is just how much capability it's got. We've got a 30 kilowatt system behind me there. It can cut plate up to 80 millimetres thick. It can bevel cut. We do a lot of government infrastructure work, lots of full penetration welding, and the bevel preparations that we have to do on all of our plate to be able to do that full penetration welding take a lot of time. And then the final thing I would say is just the reduced amount of cleanup. The finish on the cuts is really superior, and the speed at which it can do that work as well has really all been gains for the business.
The advantage with this machine is also we've got 2 beds there, so there's one outside and one inside. So while one inside is cutting, we can unload plates from the bed that's outside at the moment, and then we can reload plates, so there's huge productivity gain there. Bevel cutting is a huge gain there as well. We didn't have bevel cutting on our plaza machine. In the past, the guys in the workshop would manually prep all the plates, and now they don't have to do that anymore. All the cutting that's done in there happens in an enclosed environment. It gives us a clean, safe environment to work in without inhaling any toxic fumes.
I remember seeing trucks roll into our factory with all of this 40 millimetre plate, and this machine, it did not flinch. It just busted this 40 millimetre plate out day after day for a period of about 3 weeks. It just kept cutting and cutting and cutting, and I could not believe the efficiency that it was able to knock through this plate and the quality that came out of it as well. It was phenomenal. I would say to any fabricator out there that's considering an investment in processing equipment, you should absolutely talk to Peddinghaus. They are very transparent, they're welcoming, kind, supportive. I really can't say enough good things about them. They're good human beings. Their products are really high quality, and their service and support is the best in the market, in my view.